Imagine JavaScript as an amusement park. Every function is a visitor, and the main thread is the queue to get on a ride. In synchronous code, every visitor waits for the one before to finish the ride. No shortcuts. But async code is like grabbing a time-stamped ticket, enjoying the park while your ride is getting ready. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how async await makes all this feel like VIP access. Callbacks are like a park worker shouting your name when your ride's ready. A promise is a ticket that will resolve, whether the ride opens or not. Tired of managing tickets and shouting? Async await gives you the VIP pass. Cleaner, smoother. While async rides are being prepared, JavaScript runs other code in the park. Once the ride's ready, it re-enters the main queue. If async JavaScript finally made sense, smash that like, comment your favorite async analogy, and subscribe. Let's build your dev toolkit, one fast pass at a time.